The all-new 2025 Kawasaki KX450SR isn't just an update, it's a meticulously crafted evolution, a testament to Kawasaki's relentless pursuit of motocross perfection. It's a machine that embodies the pinnacle of off-road performance, designed to push the boundaries of speed, handling, and rider control. The KX450SR isn't merely a motorcycle, it's a precision instrument, a weapon honed for the most demanding motocross tracks in the world. It's a motorcycle that promises to deliver an unparalleled riding experience, empowering riders to achieve their full potential. The Kawasaki KX lineage is steeped in motocross history, boasting a long and successful track record of race wins and championships. The KX450SR builds upon this legacy, incorporating years of development and feedback from professional racers to create a machine that's truly exceptional. It's a motorcycle that's designed to excel at the highest levels of competition, a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to motocross excellence. The heart of the 2025 KX450SR is a refined and powerful 450 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine, designed to deliver explosive power and a broad torque curve. While specific engine details may vary, the focus is on optimizing power delivery, enhancing throttle response, and improving overall performance. It's an engine that's designed to provide a competitive edge on the track. The KX450SR's chassis is a masterpiece of engineering, designed to provide exceptional handling and stability. The frame is lightweight and rigid, offering precise feedback and control. The suspension is top of the line, featuring high-performance components that are tuned for race conditions. Every component is chosen with performance and rider control in mind, creating a race-ready machine. The KX450SR is expected to be equipped with advanced technology that enhances both performance and rider control. The latest electronics suite may include multiple engine maps, traction control, and launch control. These technologies work seamlessly together to provide a smooth and controlled riding experience, even when pushing the bike to its limits. The KX450SR is equipped with premium components that are designed to withstand the rigors of professional motocross racing. From the high-performance brakes to the durable wheels and tires, every component is chosen for its quality and performance. The focus is on providing a machine that's built to last, capable of handling the demands of the track. The 2025 Kawasaki KX450SR is the ultimate motocross weapon, a machine that's designed to dominate the track. Kawasaki has just unveiled the all-new 2025 KLX230 Sherpa, a trail-ready, lightweight dual-sport bike engineered for riders seeking adventure on both rugged trails and city streets. Building on Kawasaki's legacy in the off-road and dual-sport categories, the KLX230 Sherpa brings refined features, improved handling, and a fresh look designed to appeal to both novice and experienced riders alike. The 2025 KLX230 Sherpa is designed around Kawasaki's get out and play philosophy, with a lightweight chassis, a powerful yet manageable 233 cubic centimeters engine, and nimble handling that makes it a joy to ride on a variety of terrains. Its ergonomic updates make it an accessible choice for entry-level riders while offering a level of durability and performance that experienced riders will appreciate. The new styling integrates Kawasaki's rugged aesthetics, with a slim body, bold graphics, and protective elements that enhance both form and function. The bike is available in Kawasaki's signature lime green color as well as an optional camo-inspired edition, adding to its off-road spirit. The KLX230 Sherpa is powered by a reliable air-cooled, single-cylinder 233 cubic centimeters engine. With an electronic fuel injection system, the Sherpa delivers smooth and consistent throttle response, whether navigating tight city streets or climbing up a mountain trail. The engine's low-end torque makes it perfect for off-road use, providing ample power to conquer hills, rocky paths, and dirt trails without being overwhelming. A highlight of the KLX230 Sherpa is its advanced suspension system, designed to handle rough trails with ease. The front suspension features a 37mm telescopic fork, providing 8.7 inches of travel, while the rear suspension uses a unitrack system that gives the rider 8.8 inches of travel. This combination provides excellent stability and control over rough terrain and reduces fatigue on longer rides. Incorporating more convenience features, The 2025 KLX230 Sherpa includes a USB port for on-the-go charging, which is particularly handy for GPS devices and smartphones. The digital display provides key information, and the lighting system has been upgraded to full LED, improving visibility in low-light conditions and adding to the bike's rugged, modern look. The 2025 Kawasaki KLX230 Sherpa is a strong addition to Kawasaki's dual-sport lineup, bridging the gap between an off-road trail bike and an urban commuter. Its lightweight frame, solid suspension, and balanced power make it ideal for beginners and seasoned riders alike. The iconic Kawasaki Z900 is back for 2025, boasting updates that elevate it into the next generation of aggressive, versatile naked bikes. Known for its balance between everyday usability and thrilling performance, the Z900 ABS model brings exciting enhancements that will appeal to both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. Kawasaki has focused on enhancing the Z900's technology, design, and handling while retaining its signature raw power. The Z900's design has always been one of its standout features, and Kawasaki has given it subtle updates for 2025 that make the bike look sharper and more refined. The sculpted bodywork and updated tank design offer improved ergonomics while maintaining a muscular, street fighter stance. Kawasaki's signature Sagome styling, characterized by an intense and aggressive look, is more prominent than ever, with redesigned LED lighting and a sleeker tail section that enhances aerodynamics and visibility on the road. The heart of the Z900 ABS is its potent 948 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, delivering a strong 125 horsepower. Kawasaki has optimized the engine mapping for 2025, offering smoother throttle response and a more refined power delivery. This bike remains as ferocious as ever but has gained a level of control that makes it more approachable for a range of riding styles. Kawasaki has packed the Z900 ABS with an upgraded suite of electronics to help riders get the most out of its performance. The 2025 model includes multiple rider modes, allowing users to tailor the bike's throttle response and traction control settings. These modes include Sport Mode, Road Mode, Rain Mode and Custom Mode. In addition, Kawasaki Traction Control (KTRC) and the refined anti-lock braking system (ABS) work together seamlessly to offer superior handling, especially in challenging weather or road conditions. The new TFT display on the Z900 ABS is bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. It provides essential information at a glance, including speed, RPM, fuel level, and selected rider mode. The display also integrates smartphone connectivity through Kawasaki's proprietary app, allowing riders to access ride data, check maintenance reminders, and even receive call or message notifications directly on the dashboard. With the 2025 Z900 ABS, Kawasaki continues to prove that it can balance cutting-edge technology, raw power, and aggressive styling in one package. This year's enhancements make the Z900 ABS more refined, safer, and even more enjoyable to ride.